Families. I'm Dawn behind the camera because Emma's in front of the camera. This is my daughter Emma, who does our pictures and our videos, and she's going to hold up each puppy and we're going to identify it for you, and we're going to talk a little bit about each one. So this is
Blue Collar
Boy,
and he is a sweetheart. He just will curl up in your lap and obviously lick your fingers.
He currently is the biggest puppy, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. That just means at this particular moment, he's one of the bigger boys, and he is an absolute love. So let's put him, let's put him down and we'll watch him run for a little bit. This is Sadie, our great grandma.
Hey, come here,
and the puppies are not quite.
Oh.
Here's Blue Collar.
Okay, next.
Okay, we're gonna do a little bit quick. Okay.
Black.
This is Black Collar
Girl. Got another sex.
She is Apricot, and I guess I should have said Blue Collar Boy is red, and Black Collar Girl is Apricot. She's an absolute love. She's a little bit smaller. All of these puppies are super sweet. They've been socialized. We use puppy culture to exercise them and to give them neurostimulation, and each week they have new tasks and new jobs to do. They have activity boxes that they work with. So let's go ahead and put her down.
Okay.
And see her running around. Here she is. Whoops.
Oh, no.
She whoops. She thinks this might be Mom, and so she's trying to nurse, but it's not really Mom. Okay, who do we have here?
This is Purple.
This is Purple Collar Girl.
She obviously loves people.
Look at her tail. She
Hi,
is also Apricot.
Hi. Okay. Okay.
All of these puppies have a wavy fleece coat and will have a beautiful coat. She wants to get down and play. We just got them out of their kennel and they want to run and play in the yard. So we'll put her down for a minute. Whoop. Let's see. And just so you guys know, this is a snapshot of all of these puppies. It really is just a moment in time. These puppies can go from 0 to 100 on any given day, and they will do that for you guys. They're loving, sweet puppies, but they were also, love to be outside and run around and play.
But they're also puppies.
Yes.
This is Lime Collar Boy.
Lime Collar Boy is also Apricot. He has some white markings on his feet, and
just a little feet.
I think that's all.
And he's about the same size as Purple.
Okay, so hold him still for a minute. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Just want to let me get a little side view. All right, baby. All right, let's see him run.
Oh, that's Purple.
So he's next to Purple here, and they like to romp and play. Oh, I'm sorry, this video's. Let's go see Sadie, you're being a great puppy. Sadie is the original Labradoodle of Bedrock, and she's being very patient. She has taught, hi Sadie, she has taught many puppies how to behave. Okay.
Okay, this is Yellow Collar Boy.
Yellow Collar Boy is also an Apricot boy. Oops.
And he's really sweet.
Look at that sweet little face.
He was just going playing with the shoelaces.
Okay, let's have him get down.
Okay, buddy. Here you go. Oh, the tails. Okay, you're next. Okay, this is Orange
Collar Boy.
Look at him.
And he has white markings on one paw. Does he have his chest? A little bit of white on his chest?
Yeah.
You may not see that when he grows up. Let me see if I can get close to his face because he's darker. Hi, buddy. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Aw, they do love to give kisses.
Thank you. Hi, buddy. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, here we go.
He's a very gentle dog.
We got a little wrestling going on over here. Let's see what he's doing. Hi, buddy.
He just meanders on your dog.
Sorry if I'm making anybody dizzy.
Okay. Oh.
It's my other daughter, Lily. One of my other kiddos.
And
okay.
This is Pink
Collar Girl. Hi, baby.
Oh, look at the tail. Oh, we're so excited
get a close up
here.
of her face.
She's so
Hi,
sweet.
Girl.
She's beautiful.
Pink Collar Girl. And she is a, well, no, they're all about, I was going to say.
I think she was second biggest.
Okay, so let's put her down and then I will see if you can run over there and get the litter to follow you.
Come here, puppy.
Oh, see Sadie? Sadie is just kind of telling them, I don't like that. She's being very vocal, but she's not being mean to the puppies. This is how they learn. And look, they're going to leave her alone. Well, maybe not. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and start it because I'm not sure how long of an email I can send. This video. So Sadie, you're being a good girl. Okay, so here is, who are you? You are pink collar girl. Oops. And this one, come here little one, are you purple? You are purple girl. And you are blue boy. Hi. Bup, 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 bup. Hi baby. Hi sweetheart. Hi. Hi guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is purple. Nope, that's black collar girl. Hi, sweetie. And this is, who's this one? Orange collar boy. Pink collar girl. I can't. This is blue collar boy. All right, we're going to hold them up one more time and you get to see them. Okay. Who's this one? Has he got a rock in her mouth?
Who's eating a leaf? Black collar girl.
Okay, hold her. Let me see your face. Little black collar girl. Hi, baby. Okay.
You were itchy. Getting a little itch. Okay.
And here is
orange boy.
Orange collar boy.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. They found grass and rocks to eat right now. Pink
girl.
Pink girl. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Lime collar boy.
Lime collar boy. Hi, baby. Okay.
Oh. Yellow collar boy. Okay, what do you You got grass.
Okay.
Purple color girl.
Purple color girl.
Oh, yep, you found my hand. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Sweet little baby.
Oh,
and
I need you. I need you.
I can't go in the sunshine. And blue collar boy. Hey, buddy. Bup, bup, bup. Good boy. Okay, we'll just watch them. Let them crawl all over Lily.
Hi, little baby.
Blue collar boy. Who's this one? Pink? Pink collar girl.
Hey, hey, hey.
Love grass time. Hey, pups. This one is yellow. Yellow's on bottom. And Lily, if you can identify, there's lime color on right here. Can you identify the one in your lap, upside down?
Purple.
Purple color girl. That's yellow. Oh. Okay. All right, there you have it. The sweet Amelia litter of 7.